Hello everyone, Trader Vado welcomes you all to this new video. Let's go ahead and see what the markets probably will do today. The market has already opened a little bit gap down, and if we see the charts, this zone 17,400 to 17,350 60 zone is going to act and support. Let's see what it actually does, because if we look at the daily chart, the markets have been falling continuously from this zone, as you can see, without any sort of green candles. And it would be really weird if the market continues to fall, because that would indicate a very strong selling pressure. What I would like to see is some sort of consolidation here in this zone, probably spend some time before it falls, and then if it falls down, probably we will be able to take a more confident selling trade. Because right now what can happen is it will break the lows and immediately it will just shoot up and try to recover, and that way you probably, or traders will probably, get trapped in a selling trade. So what we need to see today is, if we look at the 15 minutes chart, so it has already broken the previous day's low. Now what we need to see, look for today, is some sort of sideways movement before we enter a selling trade. So if it comes down to this zone and if it starts to consolidate a little bit, this kind of price action, and then if it breaks the lows, it starts to break, that is where we can take a trade. We'll have a good stop loss. We cannot start to sell right away. Let's talk about the buying trade. What would be a good area to buy? So uh, as of now, immediately we cannot go ahead and start buying, because we don't know what's the market is going to do, whether it'll consolidate and then start to fall. So we need to wait, guys, until and unless we see some sort of support establishment. Let's say if this is the kind of sideways movement, and then if it breaks the highs and it takes on these highs, and then if it comes down and breaks a kind of trend line for the upside, that is where we should buy. We should take a call option, maybe a 17,400 call option, or if it is above 450, above 500, we can take 17,500 call option. And below this zone, if we are selling after a consolidation, we can sell 17,400 put option. So that would be the trade plan, guys. The next target, if I tell you, the next target would be the 17,150 zone to 17,100 zone. If the selling continues after a consolidation, then that is going to be the next target.